Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am bringing a fried devil egg video. So right here I got some plain flour, I have an egg, and panko breadcrumbs. And so I'm going to go ahead and season my flour with a little salt and a little pepper. I already boiled and separated my eggs. So we're going to start with these because these have to go in a deep fryer. Let me grab a fork. Okay, so we're going to start by breading the egg in the flour. Into the egg. And into the panko breadcrumbs. And we're just going to repeat that process for all the eggs and set them to the side. So I'm going to... Okay, so my deep fry is already hot. I'm just going to place my eggs in the basket. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my mixture. So I got the yolks from the boiled eggs. What I put in mine is a little salt, little pepper, yellow mustard, Miracle Whip, and not all of this, but just a tad bit of sugar. Some people might use relish. I don't, but I'm gonna show you how I make mine. So just a pinch of salt, black pepper, a tad bit of yellow mustard for color, a tad bit of sugar, and Miracle Whip. And I always mix this first before I add too much, because once you add too much you can never take away. So just start with a small amount first. And just taste it to see if it's to your liking. Now what I'm going to do is put it in a ziploc bag because I don't have a piping bag. So I'm going to try to put it all in the corner. And we're going to cut the corner and you'll see what's next. So just a minute. Okay, so now I got my filling in the bag. I'm just going to squeeze a little on the top. And for garnish, I'm going to sprinkle some parsley on the top. Okay, and there you have it, fried deviled eggs. So the wifey has conquered again. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss no uploads. And until next time, peace.